Number 33, it says solve the equation by extracting square roots. List both the exact solution and a decimal. Okay, so we're going to need to use a calculator to find the decimal, but let's do this one. Ew, man, that's disgusting. This is crazy. All right, so we're going to have to square root both sides. Actually, let me just write it right here. Square root u. Both the square roots go away, but look, we get plus or minus x minus 7 on one of them, and then the other one we're going to get plus or minus x plus 3 on the other. Yeah, see, that's just wrong. It's wrong. Okay, why? So we have x minus 7. This is the positive. Both of them positive. And then I'm going to make the first one negative. And then I'm going to make the next one negative. So let's keep the x minus 7 equals negative x minus plus 3. I don't know. I think I'm going to get the same answer, though. Do you think we'll get the same answer as this one and this one? I don't know. We'll see. And there's one more. So these are both positive, but what if they're both negative? Negative x minus 7 and negative x minus 7, or x plus 3. What can I do to get rid of those negatives? I can divide them both by -1, huh? And so when they're both negative, that's just the same as them both being positive. So we only had 3 different scenarios. Let's find out what the answers are for each of these. This first one, if I subtract x from both sides, we have no more x's, and we have -7 equals 3, which is a contradiction. We can't have that. So there's no solution for that one. Let's look at this one over here. We have -x plus 7 equals x plus 3. If I put the x's on the same side, let's add x to both sides. These will go away, and this one will be a 2x. Then I'll subtract 3 from both sides, so I have a 4 equals 2x. I get x equals 2. So there's one of my solutions. I'm hoping that will work. I have to test that because there's these... no, I don't have to test it because it's squared. I put the square roots there. Never mind. Okay, over here, I distribute that negative so that the parentheses go away. We get -x minus 3. I'll add x to both sides. This time this guy goes away, and this side I have 2x minus 7 equals -3. And then I'm going to have to add 7 to both sides. We get it 2x equals, what is that, 4? Positive 4? Hey, that's the same as what I got over here, isn't it? Diggity dog. X equals 2. So, answer is x equals 2.